Context engineering is the practice of deliberately shaping, managing, and optimizing the context in which an AI system operates so that the AI produces the most useful, accurate, and aligned responses. Why context engineering matters. First of all, it improves accuracy, reduces hallucinations by anchoring the model in real context. It aligns behavior with user needs, brand voice, or ethical requirements. Context engineering enhances usability by making interactions more natural and coherent over time. And it scales prompt engineering into more systematic, reusable strategies. Think of it as the next step beyond prompt engineering. Instead of just writing clever prompts, context engineering is about building the entire environment around the model's reasoning and interaction. The key elements of context engineering are number 1, input structuring, number 2, memory and history management, number 3, external knowledge integration, number 4, role definition and framing, number 5, adaptive context control. Let's discuss one by one. Input structuring. Designing how information is presented to the model, such as using structured data, role-based instructions, or conversation history. Memory and history management. Deciding what parts of prior conversation or knowledge to include, summarize, or exclude to give the model the right situational awareness. External knowledge integration. Pulling in documents, APIs, or databases and feeding them into the context window so the model can ground its answers in reliable sources. Role definition and framing. Setting the persona or role the model takes, teacher, coach, analyst, etc., and clarifying goals, constraints, and tone. Adaptive context control. Dynamically changing the context depending on the user's intent. For example, providing more technical depth for engineers or simpler summaries for non-experts. Simple analogy. If prompt engineering is like asking a well-phrased question to a smart person, context engineering is like setting up the whole room, providing reference books, a whiteboard, and giving them the right role, so their answer is not only clever, but also correct, useful, and in line with your goals.